to the evac so you can live to cash that check.
Target Jenner.
That bounty is ours. Farah will break open a case of Timbiki Dork when you get back to the ship circling.
Target acquired.